Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Oxford Reading Tree, Stage 1. There are 6 books in Stage 1. First, Floppy Floppy. Want to see what is in this book?
Yeah.
Here are some questions. So read the title together and name the dog in the picture. So you can ask this question to the students. The title is, the name of dog is Floppy. Ask what might happen in the story or the next question below the book and talk about the pictures. So you can describe all the pictures in the story. The children are coming out. Biff has a tray and the keeper has bottle in his hand and they are coming out. Floppy came in a hurry. He dropped all things. They said, "Oh Floppy." They said, "Oh Floppy."
Oh, Floppy.
So here the family is enjoying and Floppy is trying to say something to them. So he tried to snatch something. So the chip is saying, "No Floppy." Chip is saying,
No, Floppy.
On the next page, they all are sitting and they are having their snacks, but that Floppy is digging mud and there is bone in front of him and he is not eating. So all they are saying, "Oh Floppy, what did you do?" Here Floppy jumped behind a cat. So all they said, "No Floppy." And now Floppy become tired. So he is taking some rest. All they are saying, "Floppy, Floppy." Floppy want to do all these things. So Floppy wants to play. You also can ask other things such as the tree behind the wall, the man and dog. These kind of questions will increase the brain of a kid. You can ask that is it their meal time, breakfast time, or snacks time, lunch time. So this is their snacks time. They are all having snacks. You also can ask the question what happened at the end of the story. So at the end of the story, when no one played with Floppy, so Floppy got tired and he is taking rest. Floppy sit here hopelessly and now everyone try to make Floppy happy and everyone is ready to play with Floppy. Talk about some of the things Floppy did that annoyed the family. So there are so many things you can describe them. Floppy dropped their tray. Floppy snatched their snacks. Floppy dug some mud and jumped over the family when it was their snack time. Please subscribe the channel and like the video.